Hi, I'm Ryan Terry and I'm here to show you the new product from USN, which is Whey&Oats. It's basically a breakfast porridge. There's about 22 grams of protein and about 18 grams of carbs per serving. And I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how I like to cook them first thing in the morning. Right, the kettle's about to boil now, so I'm just about to put 150 ml of water, so that's all we need, so I'm just going to measure this now. To there. And then it's 2 scoops of the porridge. It's as simple as that, a quick and easy convenient way to get your first meal in for the day. There's a good amount of protein, a good amount of carbs, and it'll give you the energy throughout the day. Tasty.